Seriously! Hi guys, I am the world's Mini-Me. Can't taste it. Okay, so this is grapefruit juice challenge. It smells really good. I'm scared to do this because I don't want to, die. Here's my cup. I'm just going to put the lid on the grape juice. If you guys want to do this with me, you guys have to get some grapefruit juice. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.